One news that probably got most C8 Corvette fans raving is that of the electrification of the C8. Gearheads, enthusiasts, and most fans did not seem to understand this decision, stating that they dislike hybrids or any electrification at all on their beloved sports car. In fact, this is an image culled from an official poll on this channel's community wall, and it was clear disaster for supporters of hybrids. But today, we're going to clear all the ellipses in this story and fill you in on exactly 4 reasons why Chevy decided to go electric on the C8 Corvette. Let's get right into it. The very first reason Chevy went along with the electrification decision of the C8 Corvette is to edge competition. The Corvette is actually the giant killer of all sports cars, becoming a vehicle that is now known for the delivery of performance and technology of name brand hotties like Lamborghini, Porsche, and Ferrari for a fraction of their actual cost. It wouldn't be an understatement if we said that virtually every sports car manufacturer has now wholly or partly committed to designing and producing hybrid or electric models in the coming years. In fact, some brands on the top spot already have hybrids in the automotive market. This is great competition for the American sports car, and if it were to have any chance keeping up with the rapid changing path of car tech, the Bowtie brand definitely had to succumb to building their own hybrid vehicle in the C8, and in the years to ensue, go all electric too. Simply said, the other guys are doing it is concrete enough a reason for electrification of the Vette. It will be the price Chevy has to pay in keeping up with the competition, which as it were, are taking advantage of the buzz electric vehicles has created in general. Next reason is potential for more power. According to Corvette lead engineer Mike Kutcher, the mission of this vehicle, the E-Ray that is performance, performance, performance. When we take a closer look, it turns out the C8 Corvette was originally engineered to house a hybrid powertrain. The front compartment was built in a way that could effortlessly contain a module formed from either one or dual electric motors, as well as the associated control hardware. So a small battery pack will most likely get placed in the car's central tunnel, which runs through the middle of the passenger area. The car still maintains the V8 motor, which is the LT2 6.2-liter V8 engine gotten from the Stingray, offering 495 horsepower. However, with the addition of a 160 horsepower electric motor to this classic drivetrain, it gives a combined output of 655 horsepower on the E-Ray. This C8 is easily one of the most powerful versions on the market, and it's also the fastest accelerating Corvette ever, an unbeatable combination that will make any car enthusiast drool, featuring all-wheel drive and an insane sprint time of 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. This is definitely one car you won't want to mess with on any drag strip, and that's exactly what Chevy wants. Now for our third reason, we have proof of adaption. The E-Ray, which takes the name as the first hybrid Corvette, plays an important role in the C8's modernization. This car shows proof that a hybrid Corvette is in fact very possible, as it acts as a prelude to the all-electric model Corvette. This is definitely a car Chevrolet had to make. It shows the world that they can indeed adapt their iconic sports car for the electric future the automotive world is leaning into. There really is a lot at stake owing to the Corvette taking the label as one of the biggest names in North American automotive history. But with the introduction of the E-Ray, it shows Chevy can adapt to survive. And even if uncompromising gearheads don't like the idea of electric power in their sports car, this model of the C8 shows clearly that there is a bright future ahead for the Corvette. Besides, you still get to keep that glorious V8 under the hood to enjoy in the meantime. And then finally, our last reason, securing the future. One big reason Chevy is making the hybrid Corvette is to secure the future of the sports car. The automotive world in general is rapidly moving towards an electric and hybrid-only future. So making the Vette electrified future verifies the car for when the last ice-cold version is then created, whenever that may be. Sports cars too won't be immune to this change, and that's why car manufacturers like Ferrari and Dodge also lean into adding a hybrid model to their lineup of cars, with plans of going all electric, as with the Charger Daytona SRT. Chevrolet can't fall behind, and it's acknowledging this is proof that this supercar brand still has a lot to offer, just like the rest. And that's why 2 really extreme models of this very 8th generation Corvette are underway, and they are going all in, extreme enough to change the C8's legacy forever. And if you want to learn all about how they will go about this, make sure to watch this video next.